honey glazed goodness in these orange scented raisin studded baked goods. Who's here for a tasty treat? Try our Bran and Raisin Muffins. There's something especially perfect about having muffins around. They're a great grab and go snack. You can enjoy them throughout the day. They are always a hit. This recipe, especially so. Let me show you how to make them. Let's begin by spraying or greasing a 12-cup muffin tray. Let's also preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we assemble the dry ingredients. Into a medium-sized bowl, 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 cup wheat bran, half a cup of bran cereal. Suggestion, look for those ingredients at a health food store. Instead of buying a big box or a big bag, you can just purchase the smaller quantities required for this recipe. Then add half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir those ingredients together, set them to the side for a moment. Now we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. Large bowl, 2 eggs, half a cup of dark brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, plus 8 tablespoons of butter melted. Here's a nice add-in that gives these muffins a pleasant aroma. Zest up 1 navel orange. Yup, it smells pretty fantastic. Add the zest in, stir everything together really well, then sprinkle the dry mix and stir the muffin batter together just until it comes together. Last thing, the raisins. Use golden yellow raisins for this recipe. They have a softer texture, which works perfectly. Fold in 3/4 cup of golden raisins. Now we fill the muffin cups 3/4 full. I like to drop 3 additional raisins right on the top of each for fun. Then we transfer the tray to the oven. We're gonna bake for 25 minutes. I always rotate the pan at halftime because my oven is wonky. Now, while they're baking, one last little thing. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and flavor it with maybe a little squeeze of honey. Then when the muffins come out of the oven, don't they look scrumptious? While they're still warm, a quick brush with that honey butter and then let them cool completely. With a cup of tea, a coffee, a glass of milk or juice, they are so tender, amazing. You'll find this recipe plus other muffin recipes up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Bran and Raisin Muffins. And another thing, you can bake them big or small, and you're allowed to have more than one. I said so. Enjoy. Oh, look at the cute little buttons. Oh, they're good. Delish.